Hello everyone, I'm Renuka Negi from Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you in our daily stocks news session. Today, major business news on 12th October 2021 are gold up steadies as Fed taper expectations widen. Gold was up on Tuesday morning in Asia after trading flat as the Asian season opened. The dollar also inched upwards over wide expectations that the US Federal Reserve will begin asset tapering in November 2021. Gold futures edged up 0.16% to $1,758.55 by 11:36 p.m. ET. The dollar, which normally moves inversely to gold, inched up on Tuesday and remained near a one-year high touched in September. Surging energy prices and wide expectations that the US Federal Reserve will soon begin asset tapering contributed to the dollar's rally. Coal crunch. Coal import prices shoots up as demand increases. As various states across the country reported alarming levels of coal stocks, while some even restoring to electricity shedding, the PMO will be reviewing thermal coal industries to check the current coal level amid the ongoing worries over the fuel shortages and disruption in power supplies. While power companies have assured that the situation will be handled in no time, the PMO has decided to check on the looming problem on its own accord. The government owned Coal Mining and Refining Corporation, Coal India Limited, stated that the power supply is expected to increase until the ongoing Navratri festives by Friday. The usability during which has surged to about 1.51 million tons in a day. It is due to cumulative effect of prolonged monsoon this season which has created adversities to mining activities in conjunction with record high import prices of coal and subsequently increasing power demand that certain states underwent coal crunches. The average spot price on exchanges surged to rupees 16.5 per unit in October 2021, up from rupees 4.4 in September, all due to the mining scarcity and contributing factors. The spot tariff increased too to its maximum allowed peak of rupees 20 per unit. Top 5 things to watch in markets in the week ahead. Third quarter earnings season kicks off this week with JP Morgan Chase and other big banks reporting. Figures on US inflation will be closely watched while the Federal Reserve is set to publish the minutes of its September policy meeting, during which officials said they would begin stimulus tapering by the end of this year. The International Monetary Fund and the World Bank are to start their annual meeting on Monday, but a controversy over IMF chief Kristalina Georgieva has already overshadowed proceedings. In the UK, data releases will focus attention on the health on the economy amid growing expectations for rate hikes as inflationary pressures mount. Here's what you need to know to start your week. First, bank earnings. Some of the world's biggest banks kicks off US earnings with investors focused on global supply chain problems, labor shortages and the upcoming tapering of the Fed's $120 billion monthly stimulus. JP Morgan Chase and the BlackRock report on Wednesday, followed by Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs later in the week. Second, key US data. The key US economic report to watch this week is Wednesday's data on consumer price inflation for September. While the rate of price increases has moderated, inflation is still higher than it was pre-pandemic, with surge in demand after the economy reopened pushing up prices. Third, Fed minutes. The Fed is to publish its September meeting minutes on Wednesday amid expectations that it will begin tapering asset purchases before the end of this year, an important first step towards eventual rate hikes. Friday's weaker than expected September jobs report did little to alter expectations the Fed could begin to scale back stimulus by the end of this year. Fourth, IMF World Bank annual meetings. Annual meetings of the World Bank and the IMF get underway Monday, while Officials will discuss the global economy, the ongoing COVID 19 pandemic, and global taxation issues. But the high profile event has been overshadowed by a data rigging scandal that threatens the career of IMF Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva. It has been alleged that Georgieva pressured World Bank staff to change data to favor China in 2017 when she was the chief executive of the bank. Fifth, UK data. With the UK economy showing signs of slowing amid rising prices, supply chain disruption, and staff shortages, upcoming economic data releases will grab the spotlight. On Tuesday, the claimant count change for September is published, together with August unemployment and wage data. GDP data for August will be released on Wednesday alongside industrial and manufacturing data. So that's all for today's highlights. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.